Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a favorites list on WhatsApp. It's super easy, so stick around till the end and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Creating a favorites list on WhatsApp is a great way to quickly access your most important contacts for messaging or calling. Here's how you can do it. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Favorites section and tap on it. To add a contact to your favorites, tap on Add Favorite. Alternatively, you can also do this from the chat or call screen by selecting Add to Favorites. Now, search for and choose the contacts you want to add. Once selected, tap the check mark to confirm. And that's it. Your favorite contacts will now show up in the Favorites section on both your chat and call screens. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.